everyone! Today we're going to make dehydrated sweet potato dog treats. They are Kobe approved. So first we're going to get started with peeling your potatoes. You do not have to peel them. It depends on your dog. Some dogs have trouble digesting the peels. There are some benefits to keeping the peels on and benefits to taking it off. You make the decision. Slice those sweet potatoes about a quarter of an inch thick, no less than an eighth of an inch. Get them all cut up. Then we're going to arrange them on our dehydrator trays. No need for any silicone trays or parchment paper. Set it to 135 degrees. Turn it on. Mine took about 8 hours. You're going to know they're done when they have kind of a leathery consistency. They break, but they are not brittle. You want your dog to be able to enjoy them and them have a little bit of a softer consistency, not brittle. Here we go. Here's our end result. That resulted in a whole bunch of treats. They last 2 weeks in the jars at room temperature or longer in your refrigerator. You can also freeze them. Kobe is really enjoying these. I hope your dog loves them as much as Kobe. Give me all the likes, love, whatever you can. I appreciate it. Thanks, everyone.